Hello students, welcome to Western Political Thought MCQ series. Today's topic is Jean-Jacques Rousseau. This topic is very important for various competitive exams. So be with this video till the end. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Let us start from the first question. When was Jean-Jacques Rousseau born? Options are given to you. First, you need to solve the answer on your own for knowing about your preparation status as well as for knowing about the concept. What is the correct option for this question? The correct option for this question is 28th June 1712. Now the question is, in which place Jean-Jacques Rousseau was born? The correct option is Geneva, Switzerland. Now Rousseau and his famous quotes. Which of the following famous phrase arose from Rousseau's reasoning that social living corrupted us, leading to such ills as private property and social classes? Options are workers of the world unite, man will never be free until the last king is strangled with the entrails of the last priest. Put the child in his place and keep him there. Man was born free, but he is everywhere in chains. What is the correct option? The correct option for this question is option D. Man was born free, but he is everywhere in chains. Which is the Rousseau's famous quote? Options are given to you. You need to write the correct option. The correct option for this question is option A. A thinking man is a deprived animal. Now Rousseau and his famous thoughts, social contract, general will, etc. According to Rousseau, how can people get rid from the corruption and slavery of civilized society? Options are a new social contract, democratic reforms, revolution, socialism. The correct option for this question is option A new social contract. Where Rousseau writes of citizens being forced to be free when they are constrained to obey the general will. The correct option is option A in Book 1, Chapter 7 of the Social Contract. Who distinguished between real bill and actual bill? The correct option is option A, Rousseau. According to Rousseau, the general will is the sum total of options are real will, actual will, strong will, supreme will. What is the correct option? The correct option for this question is option A, real will. The theory of social contract primarily seeks options are to explore the historical origin of the state, to explain the basis of political obligation, to justify the status quo, to bring out a radical transformation of society by revolution. The correct option for this question is to explain the basis of political obligation. Social contractualists demonstrate why rational individuals would voluntarily consent to give up their natural freedom to obtain the benefits of political order. According to Rousseau, a social contract is based on options are given to you. You need to select the correct option. What is the correct option for this question? The correct option for this question is option C, legitimate political authority. Now we will discuss about human nature and Rousseau. What Rousseau not said about the human nature? Options are: men are born with reason, men are born with two primary instincts, namely self-preservation and sympathy. Man's life is healthy, free, honest, and happy. By birth, man had no evil tendencies. What is the correct option for this question? The correct option for this question is option A. Men are born with reason. According to Rousseau, though men are not born with reason, they developed it at later stages to resolve any conflicts. According to Rousseau, what is man's nature in his primal natural stage? Options are: A. Noble, savage, solitary, nasty and brutish; A. Blank slate, totally corrupted. What is the correct option? The correct option is option A. A noble savage. What is the common basis of sociability according to Rousseau? The correct option is option A. Reason. Who assumed that over and above self-interest, man has an innate revulsion against suffering of others? The correct option is option D. Rousseau. Which of the Rousseau's statement is correct? Let us see the statements. First statement is, men are not naturally good. This is not correct because according to Rousseau, men are naturally good. It was the result of wrong social actions that made him evil. This is correct. Man by birth had no evil tendencies. This is also correct. Man has many desires naturally. This is not correct. According to Rousseau, man didn't have any desires naturally. So the correct option for this question is option C, B and C. Rousseau stated that men by nature are: options are innocent, peace-loving, prefer to lead a contented life. All the above. All the above is the correct option. According to Rousseau, what are the causes of social problems that are faced by human beings? Options are private property, social inequalities, caste bias, gender bias. The correct options are private property and social inequalities. So the correct option for this question is option 1, A and B. For Rousseau, inequality is the original evil, the one that endangers all others. He further stated that nature established the equality among men, but men have instituted the inequality. What Rousseau intended to underline here is that all the evils are created for man by life in society, by private property, and by social inequality. So he concluded that private property and social inequalities are the causes of social problems that are faced by human beings. Now, Jean-Jacques Rousseau and a state of nature. In which of his work Rousseau discussed about the state of nature in detail? The correct option is option B, a discourse on the origin and foundation of the inequality of mankind. Originally published in 1755. Rousseau held that a state of nature is: options are pre-social, pre-political, both pre-social and pre-political, neither pre-social nor pre-political. The correct option is option C, both pre-social and pre-political. What is correct about Rousseau's state of nature? Options are: there was society, maybe a primitive one, but there was no state. He talked about the life of men in the state of nature because he did not agree with Hobbes and Locke as regards the nature of man and man's place in the state of nature. He arrived at the crucial view on a state of nature as he felt that it is important to understand the nature of man. All the above. The correct option is all the above. Now the question is how the primitive man lived in Rousseau's state of nature. Options are the primitive man led a solitary, free, simple, healthy, honest and happy life. They appeared with a moral instinct. Basically, he is guided by two instincts, namely self-interest and pity. Man in the state of nature did not know how to speak and dress. What is the correct option? The correct option is option A, B, C, D. Which of the following statement is correct about the Rousseau's state of nature? Men were treated unequally. They were not independent. They were self-sufficient. They led a simple and solitary life as novel savages. The correct option for this question is option D, C and D. Men were treated as equal and were independent, self-sufficient and led a simple and solitary life as novel savages. What Rousseau assumed about men's lifestyle in the state of nature? Options are all men lived an isolated life. They had neither ties of obligation nor duties. Man was not free, dissatisfied, and unaware of social good, evil, or fear. He was even afraid of death and had fear of loss of property or family because he had property and family. The correct option for this question is option A and B. The correct answer for this question is Rousseau assumed that in the state of nature, all men lived an isolated life and had neither ties of obligation nor duties. Man was free, self-contented, and unknown to social good, evil, or fear. He was not even afraid of death and had no fear of loss of property or family because he had neither property nor family. What was the activity of man in Rousseau's state of nature? Options are moral, immoral, neither moral nor immoral, amoral, or non-moral. The correct option is option D, C and D. According to Rousseau, why was the concept of morality unknown to man? Options are he did not know virtue or vice. He did not know right or wrong, good or bad. He did not know good or bad. He was indulged with all kinds of evils. The correct option is A, B, C. According to Rousseau, why man enjoyed perfect liberty and equality in the state of nature? Options are he is very close to nature, he is concerned with all his needs, he is not greedy or possessive, he is concerned only with his immediate basic needs. The correct option is option A, A, B, D. According to Rousseau, what compelled men to live in groups? Correct option is option C, social instinct. According to Rousseau, what was the main reason for the progress of civilization? The correct option is option A, the growth of private property. The growth of private property put him under jealousy and also there is progress in their civilization. According to Rousseau, why men began to think in terms of having property. Reason, self-love, pride, all the above. The correct option is all the above. What is the function of a civil society according to Rousseau? To protect or safeguard the property of a single individual or a group, to protect the families, to protect nation, all the above. The correct option is option A, to protect or safeguard the property of a single individual or a group. Let us discuss some miscellaneous questions. Which of the following does Rousseau not support under any circumstances? The correct option is option B, slavery. Who argues that sovereignty can never be alienated, divided, or represented? The correct option is option C, Rousseau. Which of the following theories regards the state as the result of an agreement entered into by men who originally had no governmental organization? The correct option is option B, social contract theory. Who reconciled Rousseau's theory of general will with Austin's theory of a determinate sovereign power? The correct option is option A, T.H. Green. For Rousseau, the first model of political society was based on the most ancient of all societies, which is the family. In what cases does Rousseau favor election by lot? In democracies. In Rousseau's view, what would constitute true liberty? Submission to the general will of a citizenry. What is the name of the will exercised by magistrates in their capacity as members of government? The correct option is option B, corporate bill. Which of the following kind of law is most important? Options are political law, civil law, criminal law, law derived from morals, customs, and beliefs. The correct option is option D, law derived from morals, customs, and beliefs. Who among the following used the expression forced to be free in connection with the liberty of the individual? The correct option is option A, Rousseau. Which of the following is not a term Rousseau uses to describe the members of a political association formed by a legitimate social contract? The correct option is option B, serfs. Let us discuss about Rousseau and his works. In which year Rousseau's famous work Social Contract was published? The correct option is option A, 1762. Which of Rousseau's work won first prize in the essay competition from the Academy of Dijon? The correct option is Discourse on the Science and Arts. This book was published in 1750 and is mainly important because Rousseau used it to introduce themes that he then developed further in his later work, especially the natural virtue of the ordinary person and the moral corruption fostered by the urge to distinction and excellence, which is Rousseau's autobiographical work. The correct option is option A, The Confession. This book was published in 1782. Rearrange these Rousseau's work in a chronological order according to their publication. For solving this type of question, you must know about the year of publication. Julie or the New Aloys. It was published in 1761. Then The Social Contract. It was published in April 1762. The Amil. It was published in May 1762. Letters Written from the Mountain was published in 1763. So the correct order of this question is D, C, B, A. The correct option is B. Which of the Rousseau's book presents his view on the education? The correct option is the Amil. Which of Rousseau's work is autobiographical in nature? Rousseau, Judge of Jean-Jacques, The Reveries of the Solitary Walker, The Confessions, Julie, or The New Eloise? The correct option is option A. A, B, C. Rousseau's autobiographical work, Confession, is also the title of which famous philosopher's autobiography? The correct option is option D, Saint Augustine. Rousseau associated with communitarianism. Thank you for watching.